I say, fuck you, feel the funk and dance now. Yeah. Fuck you, feel your body shake. May not be aware, rhythm all around. May not be aware till it knocks you down. Then it kicks you out. You're trying to resist now. Let's begin to move your body better straight up. And then it kicks you out. You're trying to stay cool, but that's that funky rhythm saying you're such a fool. Fuck you, feel the funk and dance now. Yeah. Fuck you, feel your body shaking. Ow. Ow. Come on, feel the funk now. Yeah, yeah. Ow. Your body feels the funk. Ow. You are not alone now. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Ow. The rhythm to be shown now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can we feel the groove? Fuck you! Feel the funk and dance now. Yeah. Ow, ow. Fuck you! Feel your body shake. Ow, yeah. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Okay, I was on top facing that away, and I came in the garage not even thinking. Duh, Troy, when you get behind yourself with 3 levels of parking garage, you're gonna lose it. But everything's fine. I don't even think it hit the wall. I'm pretty sure I landed, I skidded in, right? I should have. Anyway, so I jumped in the ride and jumped downstairs. So yeah, there you go. Give it to me raw. That's gonna be a one-take wonder. 5 S's on the Butterfly frame, running some 2150s. We're gonna keep playing with these. Might go rip one more.